Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I will show you how to get same day delivery on Amazon without being a Prime member. So first, check whether your area has same day delivery by visiting amazon.com/same day store. So go to your browser and type amazon.com/same day store. Press enter. So here, you can browse items by category, price point, and retail store. You can also look for free delivery today or free pickup today next to the product name as you shop across all of Amazon. So let's browse some items. So, if the item is eligible for same-day delivery, you should see an order within countdown timer like this on your right. So it's telling you how much time you have to place the order in order to receive it the same day. So here's the deal. If you're not a Prime member, you can still choose same day delivery by paying $9.99 fee. So that's all for this video and thank you for watching.